Opening music. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Lab, where we delve deep into the world of technology. Today, we are embarking on a journey through the clouds, specifically Azure, where we'll learn how to set up your very own Linux virtual machine with your favorite web development tools at your fingertips. Imagine you're a professional developer or even a fresh newbie yearning for a robust environment to code in. Azure offers that and more. But first, let's understand why creating a Linux virtual machine in Azure isn't just a matter of typing a few lines of code but an essential skill for navigating the IT world with finesse. You'll master deployment architecture, customize configurations, and tackle troubleshooting to ensure seamless operations. Here's a step-by-step breakdown to bring your coding aspirations to life. Now, let's set the clouds. Azure's vast, always evolving ecosystem awaits you with its endless resources. As an IT professional, having the ability to establish a secure, efficient, and customized cloud environment on your own gives you unmatched control and reliability, and that's the business value behind our journey today. But hey, there's no deploy without coding in Azure. Here's how it works. 1. Creation of the Linux VM. Start by navigating to the Azure portal. Go to the Virtual Machines section, click Create, and select the option to create a new Linux VM. Example, suppose you are deploying a Dockerized environment. In the Resource Group, Image and Instances settings, select Ubuntu 20.04 image for VM and add 2 instances for your setup. 2. Setting up configuration best practices. Once created, right-click your VM and select Reset. In the Settings window, optimize your virtual machine by allocating the required resources, for example, to CPUs and 4 GB RAM, if that's what your Dockerized environment requires. Don't forget to configure the boot diagnostics, setting network security groups, and firewall rules to protect Wi-Fi.